I've never seen this many birds. Have you?
Hi everyone, welcome back. We had a weird thing happening today. There's a whole bunch of birds flying around the building. I'm not sure what kind of birds they are. And I'm not sure what's going on with this. Never seen these before. It looks like there's hundreds of them. I don't know if you can see them in the video, but there's just literally hundreds of them. So anyways, we figure we'd grab the GoPro 8 and film these little guys. I don't know, I'm thinking they're barn swallows, but I don't know, I've never seen this many around our building before. This is very, very unusual. I don't know, maybe barn swallows, but what are they doing up here? Look at all the birds there, Mike.
They're midge hunting.
Midge hunting.
Yeah, you know all the little bugs we got around here?
Oh, those are mud flies.
Mud flies?
Oh, they're eating those?
Yeah. Because they're being very heavy right now.
Oh yeah, because of the rain.
Yep. So, hopefully they get them all.
Okay, well, I guess that's what they're doing. We have a lot of little mud flies around after the rain there that literally come by the millions. So I guess that's what these birds are doing. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.